In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to convert PDF to Excel using UPDF. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to UPDF.com and then sign into your account. Now from here, you don't actually need to download it. You can really just do it inside of your browser. And to do that, you'll simply need to go over to Online PDF here. And then from here, you'll be able to choose PDF to Excel. Once from here, a new page should be popping up, where I can see this page right here. From here, you can convert PDF to Excel. And once from here, you'll simply need to upload the specific file that you want to convert over to an Excel file. Once from here, you'll just upload it. And as you can see down here, it's being uploading and analyzing. And that can take approximately anything between a couple seconds to a couple minutes long, depending on how big your PDF file is. From here, you'll simply need to click Convert PDF. And then a new page will pop up where I can see right here, your PDF will look like this. And from here, you'll simply be able to go over here and then you can download it as an Excel file. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!